Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Blueprint KBB 2020. If you wanted to know what's inside of the Knowledge Broker Blueprint program. The Knowledge Broker Blueprint is a new winning game book formula and online training program created by legendary masters Tony Robbins software. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. The Knowledge Broker Blueprint is the latest 2020 version of Knowledge Business Blueprint, which was launched in April 2019. More than 200,000 people saw its launch and more than 16,000 people joined. Knowledge Broker Blueprint is a cutting-edge program and mastermind group created by Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi and Russell Brunson. In essence, the program provides a complete software platform to instruct you on how to turn your knowledge, or someone else's, into a profitable global business. The Knowledge Business Blueprint program comes along with a 1-year subscription to the mindmint software. Mastermind is launching the first ever gold standard course plus the software designed to teach anyone how to create, fill, run and profit from high-impact virtual or in-person masterminds groups. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.